In this tutorial, I will talk about how to access Google Classroom. To log into Google Classroom, you first need to make sure that you have a Google account set up. Once that's done, you can access Google Classroom from two ways. First, by using a link. Clicking on the link will automatically take you directly to the classroom. Second is to join by using a code. Log into your Google account, click the plus sign located at the top right, enter the code that your teacher gives you, and then select join. Let's go to my Google Classroom. Here we have a few tabs at the top to help you navigate. Stream is where you'll see announcements and reminders and assignments. Classwork is where your classwork is stored. People allows you to invite people. And then grades is where you view your grades. Going back to the home page, here you see the Google Classroom. To access it, click the plus sign, click join class, and then enter the code that your teacher gave you, and then click join. Going back to the Google Classroom, at the bottom I have a small introduction about myself and how to contact me. Then I have an icebreaker activity to get to learn about each other. To start it, we click on this link to take us to the die. Make sure you select 6 sides and then click the button to roll the die. Number 3 is what we rolled. We go to the Google Classroom and we're going to copy and paste question number 3 and paste it here so that we can respond. If you could bring back any fashion trend, what would it be? My fashion trend that I would bring back would be bell-bottom pants and pointed toe pumps. Then from there, you click post. It posts your response. If you need to see what the code is for the class, click on the gears here for settings, scroll down and click on display class code. There it is. Hopefully this information was helpful for you.